What are you doing?
Get ready the onion first for the bonnet.
Bonnet.
Bonnet. The last one.
Look
Not
what
really.
he's watching.
I'm a big fan of I mean, especially my team, my French team, cake. Forget about that. Cake.
Buta. Buta.
What are you doing?
The cake.
What cake?
The sponge cake.
Whoa!
This butter smells good. Smell it.
Oh yeah, look at this ribeye. So, not burn the butter, I just put medium heat. We add onion.
Yeah, we're cooking.
The goal is to not burn the butter. Add the ribeye.
And we have
Only
what? Sausage.
Bro,
Why is there only
I
one?
don't know. Each side 1 minute, 1 minute and a half. Ooh la la. Ooh la la. Add a little bit of garlic for the flavor. Flip the crust. Go. Oh, you know what? Fuck it. No butter. There you go.
Wow. You think you're getting some? What too bad?
Here.
Look at that.
Wow,
Yum.
so hot.
Look at that.
the bread.
Too much tomato.
I love tomato.
Okay.
Wow.
Be generous.
So yummy. Okay, how do you eat this? Oh yeah.
You can do like this. Ooh. Oh yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm so excited. Bonnet, you do this. You could get some of the pâté. Or you could you put the egg in your own plate too if you want. Okay. And then you get like a tomato. Okay. And then you could get an onion paseo.
Oh my god.
And then I don't know if it's does it show? Is your water in the way?
No.
And then you go ah.
The meat waffle. How's the pâté?
Delicious. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that. Oh yeah. Good shit. I'm done.